Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Welcome to our EBS class. Subject EBS. Chapter 1, My Wonderful Body. Lesson number 1, My Wonderful Body. In that, we have to learn page number 1. Learn page number 1 from reader, the parts of the body. Learn from reader page number 1, parts of the body. See, when you look at your body, you can see different parts. Yes, you can see different parts like hands, head, legs, chest, stomach, food, everything. Okay, but I don't know. You see here now, how many heads do we have, children? Check once. Check in your mirror, then find out. Yes, we have only one head. Of course, we are humans, so we are having only one head and 2 hands and 2 legs. And the body and the head is connected by the part called neck. N-E-C-K, neck. The head and the body means remaining parts, is connected by the part called neck. And chest. Chest will protect us. Means chest will protect the internal organs. What is internal organs? I will let you know after why. Then, and we have a stomach. It is a very important for all, because whatever we are taking, it will store in the stomach and it will get digested by the chemicals which are there in the stomach, and it will help you to give the energy to do the work. Then we have 2 hands, as I told you, and these ones will help us to hold the things. And we have 10 fingers, yes, and 10 toes. That. And we have 2 knees, means each and every leg there is a knee called K-N-E-E. Teacher, knee. No, K will be silent over here. So you can read as knee. Then, and we have 2 legs, and these legs will help you to jog, to run, to walk. Yes, my dears? Yes. And the foot, which give the support to walk. Okay. Means for, if you are talking about only one, you can call it as a foot. If you are talking for both legs, you will say feet. Why, teacher? Feet. When you are talking the foot in the plural form, it will come feet. Okay, children? The leg and the foot is connected, the organ called ankle. Means ankle will give the grip while walking. Okay, children? It will help you to walk. So this organ called what? Ankle. Like this, we have different parts. So these are all parts you have to learn, my dear students. Okay? Okay. Next. Reading and explanation of the chapter, My Wonderful Body. Now, please open your reader and teacher will read for you once and twice, okay? And put your index finger while teacher reading, okay? Page number 2, children, okay? My Wonderful Body. My Wonderful Body. Point 1. Our body is like a machine. It is made up of many parts. Each part can do some special function. Some organs are external and some are internal. The body parts which help us to know all around us are called sense organs. And we have 5 sense organs. Once again, children, Our body is like a machine. It is made up of many parts. Each part can do some special function. Some organs are external and some are internal. The body parts which help us to know all around us are called sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. Here children, now teacher will explain you point by point, okay? Our body is like a machine, means how the machines will work, like that our body also will work. Some of the machines will work with electricity, some of the machines will work with fuel, like petrol, diesel, like this. Our body will work with food. Yes, what you are taking depends on it. So you have to give the proper food for your body to give the energy to work. And it is made up of many parts. And each part will be having some special functions. These 2 points I have explained you before. Yes, our body is having many parts like legs, hands, stomach, head, eyes, nose, this all. Yes, and each and every part will be having different functions. This also I have taught you. Yes. Now, this point is very important. See here, some organs are external. What is mean by external? External means you can see. These parts you can see when you stand near the mirror, or if you can see other person, you can see. These parts you can called as a external, means all can see. And some of the parts are called internal. What is internal parts? Means even you cannot see. That parts called as a internal organs. And where all these parts will be? In your body only, children, not somewhere else. Like a heart. There is a heart in our left hand side. You can hear the sound, lap, yes, yes. And kidneys, which help us to purify. This and all, for you, it's very difficult to learn. So, and lungs, it will help you to breathe, means to clean up the air. And you know the heart, yes, these all are internal organs, like that many are the children, okay? These all are protected by, means like lungs, suppose, lungs and heart. It is supported by the chest. That's what I told you before, internal organs, okay? So which you cannot see and which is inside our body called as a internal organs. And the body parts which help us to know, some of the body parts will help you what is happening surrounding you. This is called as a sense organs. And we have 5 sense organs. What are they? Eyes, nose, tongue, ears, and the skin. Okay? These all are sense organs. 5 sense organs. Once again, children. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin. Okay? These 5 are sense organs. Suppose if you take eyes, eyes will help you to see surrounding us what is there. And ears will help you to hear the sounds. And nose will help you to smell. And tongue will help you to talk, to chew, and to taste, which is very, very important. Okay? That. And skin. Skin will help you to feel. If some objects, like something will be nearby you, like very hot, you will feel so hot. If it is that it is very cold, oh yes, and somebody will pinch you, you will feel the pain. So skin will help you to. Okay, these all are the 5 sense organs. Okay, children, please read the lesson well. Now, come back, page number 3 and 4. Encircle the correct answer. Teacher will read the question and answer only, children. Teacher will not read the options. Options are there in the reader, but teacher will read question 1 and then answer. Okay? Keep in your mind. Teacher will read the question and answer. Okay? And circle the correct answer. Page number 3 and 4. Come back to page number 3. Question 1. Our sense organs are, first question, our sense organs are, answer is C, 5 in number. 5 in number. Next, our body has, question 2. Our body has, answer is A, many parts. Answer is A, many parts. Then number 3. The sense organs includes, answer is B, eyes, ears, tongue, nose and skin. Eyes, ears, tongue, nose and skin. Next, number 4. We see the color and shape of the things with the help of, answer is B, eyes. Answer is B, eyes. Now, turn the page 4. The skin help us. Answer is A, feel things. The skin help us to feel things. Answer is A. Next, number 6. We can know the gas leak in the kitchen with our, answer is C, nose. Answer is C, nose. Question number 7. It helps in chewing and swallowing of food. It helps in chewing and swallowing of food. Answer is what? A, tongue. Next, number 8. We use our hands to push the things, pull the things, both A and B. Why I read these options? Because you must know both A and B. Both A and B is what? You can push the things and you can pull the things. So answer is C, both A and B. Understood? Next, number 9. We use our legs for, here options given for you. Writing, hold the up things and none of these. Can you write with your legs? No. Can you hold the things? No. So answer is C, none of these. Number 10, for jogging, we use our legs. Answer is B, legs. Okay, dear students, thank you. This is your reading and explanation of lesson number 1, My Wonderful Body. Okay, thank you. Meet you soon in the next class. God bless you all.